Wheel.
Go on either.
Hola.
Or
Or
if you're
they'll-
not back, they leave you.
Oh, I believe it.
Oh, there isn't a bar. You got a picture of it, good.
And just pretending you're coming back down off your roof after cleaning your gutters. You always spin around and go back down backwards. Like
To go from the upper deck to the lower deck is to turn around. They're the marine toilets. Now, if you've had anything to do with boats, you'll know that marine toilets are a little and only anything that has been through your mouth. Emergency, please listen.
we fresh this morning and some strawberry jam and strawberries on top. So, and there'll be plenty to go around, so you don't have to worry about it running out. We'll announce those when they're ready.
Rich Australian politician, and the first Aboriginal was
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, as we promised that.
That was on the other side. That's it.
Okay, there.
the main reason why the story was the city's struggle liberation centre became a late 1970s has now been redeveloped and reconsidered as the closest possible point of the one that used to be there, which caused quite a lot of mixture of 300 tonnes, all the land, all the way to the Story Bridge.
Oh, can we just real quick? How big one you been now?
Now, as Brisbane's colony started to grow, the settlers required more land to develop for farming and food production. The main reason why the story was the city's struggle over the river, which helped provide the whole.
Oh, that's cool. Right.
A bit more.
More?
One more, yeah. There we go.
Wow. This is beautiful.
Powerhouse was powered over the river, which helped provide the whole.
He told me that somewhere.
19 minutes drop, and then there is some that we're doing afternoon.
They don't get benefits, they don't get daily hospital.
Yep.
Everything's, yeah.
Australia over 1.254 hours a day. The bridge claimed 3 lives. Of evening rock. Now, we've seen a few city cats on our trip today. Cats are named after Indigenous place names to be following the devastating 2011 Brisbane stream to North Shore Hamilton.